Hey everybody, I've got something a little bit different in store today. I'm in my garden. As you can tell from the weeds and stuff, the grass, it's kind of gotten out of hand for me this year. Usually it doesn't get this bad, but I used some really good fertilizer last year. I put 2 trailer loads of cow manure that had been from a food plot, a 7-year accumulation, and then I tilled it in, and everything I grew this year has done really well. Today I'm digging some sweet potatoes, and I thought I would excavate a sweet potato hill and see if I can get another big one out. The first sweet potato that I dug this year so far weighed between 6 and 8 pounds, estimated. I didn't actually weigh it, but it was huge. I'm hoping that maybe I've got another one coming out like that, and I'm going to excavate one and see just how close together they are, how big they are, and how deep they go. I've already dug some this morning, and I'll show you what I've gotten out of the little bit that I've dug. I've gotten that pile. That was the last hill I've dug. This is probably between 2 and 3 hills. And this is a good sized sweet potato here. Feels like about maybe 5 pounds. Not quite as big as the other one I was talking about. I'm going to dig this hill here. And on this hill, you can tell right here is where the vines all come together. Right there specifically. And we've got sweet potatoes all the way over here. Probably 16, 18 inches away, I've uncovered my first sweet potato of the hill. As I dig them, I'm going to put them over in this empty area here, and we'll see when I'm done just how much sweet potato we have. Okay, I'm going to be digging this pile right here, and we'll be putting the sweet potatoes right there. And we'll see when I'm done with this one hill how many sweet potatoes I've gotten and how big they are. Okay, this is one hill of potatoes, sweet potatoes that is, where I break these off or puncture them. When stored in a cool place, sweet potatoes heal up pretty quick. They keep very well. And then cut off the spot that's healed up, it's just like part of the skin. I'm not going to weigh these, but I would say there's 10 pounds or better here in this one pile, just out of one hill. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Deer love sweet potato tops. So the tops I've got left over after digging my sweet potatoes, I've laid out in a little windrow. They'll dry some. They won't dry all the way, but they won't mold. And when I'm ready to head back out to the deer woods next time, I've got a nice little thing to roll up into a round bale, take out and unroll for deer food plot, and it's ready.